Hi everybody, my name is Kristin Pokrass and I am an Independent Color Street Executive Director. I have been with Color Street now for about 2.5 years and my team is over 650 women right now and we've sold over $3.1 million and both those numbers increased every single month. It has been an absolute dream, honestly. So I want to quickly tell you about the business and hopefully can answer any questions you might have in the comments about what it means to be a Color Street stylist. So first and foremost, the starter kit is $129 and that includes 13 full sets of nails. And if you do the math, just that alone brings the sets to less than $12 per set, which is about what you're paying for them anyways. So for $129, you're going to get 13 full sets, 72 twosies, which are our little 2-sample testers that you can give to people or use for yourself as accent nails. You're getting brochures, a tote bag, nail files, buffer blocks, the alcohol prep pads, all a bunch of goodies, okay, in your starter kit. And with that comes your virtual office or your back office, whatever you like to call it. We refer to it as the virtual office. And that's where you can log on, see all of the, everything you've sold, what your team has sold, your progress, your promotions, your commission, everything, as well as your customer-facing website so that people can order directly through your website. Now, this for me was key because I'd been in companies before where I had to hold all the inventory and deal with packaging and shipping and invoicing people and all of that, and what a pain it is. So to have my own website where people can just go on and order directly through that and I don't have to be involved is amazing. I just get emails telling me you got an order and everything is taken care of. It ships perfectly from the company and I don't have to worry about a thing. So the price for that virtual office and website is $9.95 per month, and that is free the month that you enroll and your next full month. So let's say you enroll January 2nd. You're gonna get all of January for free plus all of February for free, okay? After that, it's just the $9.95 a month, or think of it as $10 per month. And if you think about what that breaks down to, if you sell 1 buy 3, get 1 free, which comes out to about $40, give or take, that you get 25% commission on that. That's $10 back right there. That covers your website for the entire month. So just one of those bundles, that buy 3 get 1 free, which is what most people do, you're gonna already pay for your website, and everything after that is just profit. So commission structure varies from 25 to 35% per month depending on your monthly total sales. So for example, if you sell between $0 and $599, you're going to get 25%. If you sell 600 to, I can't remember the next level, I should have put that in front of me, you're gonna get 28%. And it goes up and up from there until 35%. So that's the commission that you're making on your personal sales. And then of course you're also making commission on your team. Once you build a team, you're going to get certain percentages off of your team's sales. So for example, you're gonna get 6% on anybody that you enroll, whatever they sell. So if they sell $300 in a month, you're going to make 6% of that as well. And the percentages just keep going on from there. If you want detailed information on that, just drop a message or a comment and I will get that info over to you. It's too much to try to go over in a quick video, but that's sort of the basic structure and how most direct sales companies work. In addition to that, the company is offering amazing incentives all of the time. So for example, this month in January, they're offering 2 exclusive sets for anybody who hosts a qualifying party and closes it in the month of January. Now that could be something that you set up for yourself. As stylists, we are allowed to create our own parties in our virtual office so that it creates a party shopping link and you can send that out to all your customers. You can place orders through that yourself so that you are continuously racking up rewards, which are free and discounted sets. And then if you were to close that party in the month of January, you would get those 2 exclusive nail sets for yourself. And then it's a great way to incentivize people to host for you because they're gonna get those sets as well if they host a qualifying party. A qualifying party is $150 in sales and 3 different customers have to order from that party. So that's one example of the things that Color Street is doing. They're also offering us incentive trips trips. For instance, the next one is to Cancun. They've had a cruise. So those are things that you can earn through your sales and enrolling. They also we have an annual conference every year, which is amazing. It's where we all get together, trainings, getting free product, learning about what's new, and it's really just a big, exciting event that lasts over 3 days. So we do those once a year. The one this year is going to be in July in Las Vegas. And in addition to that, they just started a leaders summit. So they're having that for the first time this year in February in San Antonio, Texas. So hopefully that's something that they're going to continue to do as well. We also just learned today about a new program they're doing called the Circle of Excellence, and it is from January 1st, 2020 until the end of June 2020. And you are able to earn cash each month for different, if you hit a certain set of goals. Those goals are $1,000 in sales, plus enrolling 2 people and and hitting a certain level. But you're gonna hit that level just by doing the 1,000 in sales. So for example, if you are just a BQ stylist, a bonus qualified stylist, and you do those things, you will get an extra $100 per month just for that. At my level, at executive director and above, if I were to have 1,000 in sales and enroll 2 people in a month, I get $500 extra dollars. So it's pretty awesome. And that is going on, like I said, for these first 6 months of the year. So it's a really great time to join because you can be a part of that. And you don't have to do it every month. Each month is individual. So you could hit it in January and get your $100, $150, $200, $500, whatever it is at your level. You could miss it in February, you could hit it again in March. So that's some great incentives. They give us really cool stuff like luggage, and we have jewelry now. And I'm actually wearing one of the bracelets here. I love them. They're so, so cute. And they're such a great conversation starter. So that's stuff that we can buy through our swag store. They have all kinds of materials and things that you can buy. One of the other things I love about this business is that we do not need to carry inventory if we don't want to. A lot of companies require you to spend a certain amount each month in order to stay active, and you end up with all of this product at home and you don't know what to do with it. That is not a requirement with Color Street. So you can have a ton of stuff at home or you can have none at home. It's totally up to you. I always recommend having some home inventory because you're always going to have local people that want to buy directly from you. They want that immediate gratification. If you're hosting parties, you want to have that stuff with you, but you don't have to. The only thing you have to do in order to stay active is once every 6 months, you need to bonus qualify. And that means $300 in sales in 1 month. And it's every time you do that, every time you hit 300 sales in 1 month, your 6 months starts over again. So let's say you join in January and you don't have 300 in sales in 1 month until March. That's okay. And in March, 6 months starts all over again. So now you have until September to do it again. Now, there is one caveat. If you have a downline, if you end up building a team, which I would hope you all do, then you do need to have $300 in sales in the 1 month, or rather be bonus qualified in order to get paid commission on your downline, okay? And if the company is running any type of incentives, if they're doing, sometimes they'll give us exclusive sets if we sell a certain amount, in a month, then you need to be bonus qualified in order to qualify for those kinds of things as well. But if you're just someone who wants to casually sell to their friends and family, then it's awesome because, like I said, it's just that rolling 6 month period. You could go 5 months if you want to and sell $50 this month, $100 that month, and not even worry about it until 6 months have gone by, okay? And that doesn't start until the 6 months starts after your first full month that you've signed on, okay? So that's a really great thing. So I always tell people, if you like the product, there is no harm in trying it out as a business because the starter kit is such an amazing deal that you get all of those 13 sets, those 72 twosies, things you're gonna use anyways, and you may as well try it as a business. Like, you know that people are gonna notice your nails. People notice my nails all the time, okay? So it's so easy to then say, yeah, it's Color Street, have you ever heard of it? Here's a sample, here's my card, let me know if I can help you. So you may as well just try it because you're not gonna lose anything on it. You can quit at any time. I don't ever want anybody to feel like they're stuck. All you do is just email customer service and say, I no longer want to be a stylist. So there's really no harm. And that's pretty much the gist. I wanted to keep this short and simple and just give you a really quick rundown. I'd be more than happy to go into more detail about any of it, but I just also want to say that Color Street is such an amazing opportunity because the product is so unique, okay? It's not like skincare or clothes or, you know, a lot of the other things you see people selling where someone could go to the store and buy any of those things from any number of providers. Color Street is unique. There is no product on the market like this. It is dry nail polish in a strip, 100% real nail polish. You're gonna see copycats out there. They are not the same thing. They are vinyl stickers or they are not 100% polished. They smell like gasoline and they damage your nails, okay? These go on with ease. I do my manicures in less than 10 minutes. They come off with regular nail polish remover. They do not damage your nails. It's a revolutionary product. We have a global patent on the technology. So it's such an amazing, not only product, but opportunity to get to be a part of right now when we're still so young. I mean, 2.5 years is nothing. We're gonna be around a long time and now is the time to get started. So I'm super excited. I think 2020 is gonna be an amazing year for us, for my team, for the business and everything. So I'd love to have you with us. Please comment if I can answer anything else, and I hope to hear from you soon, and Happy New Year.